This beach behind me is more like a love and hate kind of a relationship for most of us. Good afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin. Adrian is waiting for me right outside the beach, and by now you probably already know where I am, looking at the crowd and the noise here. So guys, I'm at Kalangut beach, which probably is the most crowded beach here in Goa. So it's time to take you guys around the beach right now, and just look at the crowd. So right up till that side is Kandolim. You can probably go walking till Kandolim, but it is quite far away. And that side there, if you can see the hill in the distance, that's Baga that side. So you can even go walking from here till Baga. It will take around 25 minutes to half an hour. And look at how crowded this place is. So there's a lot of water sports that is happening there, lots of boats here. And in case if you are interested in water sports, once you head outside the beach from here, there are many counters there where you can inquire about water sports. So I've zoomed in. If you can see there where I Love Goa is displayed, that side and this side, there are many shacks where you can just sit and have a good time. The environment there is very lively. It's mostly Bollywood music that is played there. And this side as well, there is a huge restaurant and bar. Navratna, that's a Udupi family veg restaurant, and this side there are many shacks as well. So that's how the beach is. It's mostly shacks on this side, and then there is a long stretch of sand here. So there's a huge place where you can come and gather. I mean, if you're coming here with your family, you can sit here as well. And what we will do right now is we'll go outside on the road, and let me show you the situation there. Now I'm outside the beach, and this here is the tourist information center. So in case if you have any doubts, you can come here. And if you are interested in water sports, you can contact this number. So they are the ones who organize the water sports. I am not very sure how good the water sports is at Kalangut beach, but then there are multiple options. You can even go towards Fort Aguada, because we used to do our water sports there. And right here outside the beach, there are many shops. So you can get your ice cream here, you can get some lemonade here. And opposite this side are wine shops and clothes shops. So yes, restaurants, everything is there here. Those of you who are interested in visiting Dudhsagar waterfall and go bungee jumping, let me show you the contact number. Yes, so that's the contact number to call. This side here as well, there are multiple banners for water sports. This is the phone number to call for water sports, and this is for cruise. So in case if you're interested in going on a cruise, maybe in the river somewhere near Panjim, that's the number to call. In our last video, someone asked a funny question in the Kandolim video. The question was if there are any wine shops near the beach or on the road. Guys, you know the answer. Adrian is there somewhere, because it's a bit difficult to find parking here, but in case if you are coming by taxis, you can park your taxis here, and somewhere that side is the two-wheeler parking, so you can inquire with the people here. And my pilot has arrived. So yes, we've gotten out of the beach. Let me show you what's there here. Multiple options here guys to buy t-shirts and to go shopping, dream catchers here, lots of bags here. Everything is there available here, but as I mentioned in my previous videos, if you're buying things which are from stalls that are close to the beach, you're going to not get it at a good price. I mean, you can if your bargaining skills are good, but if you go towards further down this road, there you might get something cheaper. And talking about the traffic here and people, you have to be very careful, because you will suddenly see a random person just walk past by, like the situation at the back there what we encountered. All right, now we have gotten closer to the parking space. So this here is where you can park your big buses. As you can see that there's a big bus going there, so you can come here and inquire in this counter here and park your big vehicles. Now what we're going to do is go straight from this side. This is the circle. So if you take a left from this circle, that way, that side is Baga. This side is the road that goes to Kalangut, Kandolim, and this road as well goes to Kandolim. But we are going to go straight. let me show you the market area. Again, this place is very crowded. Multiple options here for breakfast. Again, I would not recommend these places. I've eaten here, and the food here is not that great. In case if you're looking for any authentic Goan food, do check out our channel. We have visited many restaurants. Yes, you do need to travel a bit away from here, but I'm sure you will enjoy the food. In fact, there is one that is just close by here, the Little Goa. You should check that video if you're looking for authentic seafood, Goan seafood rather. Okay, what do we have here? Now coming up here on the right is, in Konkani it's called Tinto, which means basically a market. There's a fish market there, and apart from that there are multiple options here for accommodation. But then again, I haven't heard good things about the accommodation here. They speak a lot of positive things. They show you good pictures. Go straight. This is the second circle that we are approaching, so we'll be taking a left from here, and I'll show you what's there on the left hand side. By the way, this road goes towards Baga as well. So huge vape store here. We don't smoke or vape. Check this church out, beautiful. This is a very good landmark here. And tell you about this doctor, Dr. Joachim. He's very good in case if you have an emergency. And this side here, in case if you have a problem with your bike, there's a garage here. Alright, so pretty much this place is has restaurants on both the sides. Again, I haven't eaten the food this side, so I can't really tell you how good this is. This right will take you towards a huge petrol pump. If you buy bottle petrol in Goa, those bottle petrol that are sold is expensive, but if you take this road and go towards the petrol pump, obviously the rates are much better. Okay, and on this road you'll see a lot of stalls here which sell coconuts. So yes, you can buy coconuts. Today the weather, okay, German cafe, I've heard quite a bit about this place. I want to make a video here, but if you've been there, let me know your comments. And look at this beautiful Portuguese house. Sadly, as the years pass by, these houses are reducing in numbers because all the properties are sold to buildings for resorts and bigger buildings. Anyway, that's how it is, you know. As years pass by, times change. Some things are for good, some things are for bad. But I hope Goa stays the same. It used to be a completely different story years ago, but now things have changed. Anyway, now this road takes you towards Baga. So we're going to go straight here from this road. Be very careful, guys, when you are riding. Don't overspeed. Yeah, take this left. So you see this restaurant here, Kanha restaurant. We used to visit this place for some South Indian food. It is okay, it's not that great. I mean, but if you are hungry and if you need something and if you're on the way, you can try the dosa here, the medu vada. Coffee, it's okay, it's not great. You can say it's like a 6 on 10. Okay. This road will take you towards the main road, the Kalangut to Baga road, and every time I pass by this place, I love having a look at this villa. It's made in the shape of Noah's Ark, like a boat. And here again, multiple places to stay. I haven't been to these places. In case if you've been, if you stayed here, please let us know in the comments so the other viewers who read the comments can benefit from these comments as well. There's a hair cutting salon over there in case if you want to get a haircut. Right, now this road will lead you straight towards Our Lady of Piety Church. It's actually a chapel. That's where we go for our Sunday church services. What we are going to do is go straight from here and then take a left. Again, that road goes towards Kalangut, so there is some more area of Kalangut that I need to cover. We'll reach there in a bit. That's the road there. So that there is Our Lady of Piety Church. take a left. And talking about the weather has been very good since yesterday. Fingers crossed, hope it doesn't change. Alright, now we are on the main road again, which is going towards Kalangut. Here again multiple shops here to buy your shirts and everything. So yes, you can come shopping here. There are some restaurants here, Delhi Darbar, tattoo studios, spa. Talking about spa, guys, please stay away from illegal activities. This one here is a veg restaurant, huge veg restaurant. And yes, again multiple shops here. There's a hardware shop here on the left inside, in case if you're staying in Goa for a long time and if you want to get some, yeah, there, Royal Hardware. If you want to get some things from the hardware shops, you can come here. There are many taxi stands here as well. Bottle petrol is also sold over here, but again I would recommend you not to buy bottle petrol until and unless it's very urgent, because you don't know what they are mixing in that. Okay, now this one here, Navtara, is a decent restaurant, veg restaurant. We've eaten from here before and I like the food, so you can definitely come over here. Go straight. And coming up ahead, there is infant area. I'm so sorry guys, my hand is aching a bit because I had gone fishing this morning. In fact, I went yesterday as well, but 2 days I wasn't so lucky. Maybe luck will favor me tomorrow. Right, so there's McDonald's here, fast food, junk food. I don't know if you have that on your holidays, but we certainly don't. And this is one of my favorite places, Krishna. They serve awesome Indo-Chinese food. I love Indo-Chinese. That's infant area. I personally think they have lost their charm. And this one here is a chapel. So yes, again we are back to this circle. Few minutes ago we had gone straight, we went round like that, and we've come back to the circle. That side again is Kalangut beach. We are going to the market. Adrian, what are you going to buy from the market?
I'm going to buy some fish.
Talk loudly.
I'm going to buy some fish. It's
Fish,
very
okay.
good fish.
And what else?
And some daily home groceries.
Groceries, okay. And vegetables probably. So since we are going to the market, let me take you inside the market as well. If you are visiting the market area, do not park your bike here, otherwise they are going to do this to your bike. And these are the buses, the local buses that you can take. The ticket is like around 10 to 15 rupees. Alright, now we are at the entrance. This is the Kalangut fish market. Right. So as soon as you enter, lots of murals here, and this is a common sight here. Alright. Wow. Now we have come to the fish market around 12:40. That's the reason why it's not so crowded, but yes, you will see this very often in Goa. These are mackerel, very cheap fish to buy, very nice. This one here is pomfrets. And this side here is the chicken shop, so you can buy chicken from there. There is another chicken shop here as well, and that there is a good fishing shop. So in case if you want to buy a fishing equipment there, Dias Corner, you can get your fishing equipment from there. You can even buy vegetables and groceries from these places, eggs here. And this side is the fruit market. So we usually come to this shop to buy our vegetables. We get tomatoes, potatoes, everything. Look at the number of vegetables that he has here. And he always gives us a good deal. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the vlog. If you have any questions about Goa, anything, just let me know in the comments and I will try my best to find the information for you. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.